Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Weekly EPL Talk. In this episode, obviously, we have a lot to cover. Very interesting magic ball. Exactly what might happen. So, I know some of you will be surprised that why have I kept Manchester United here? Well, they are still in the hunt. Like I said, they are still not off. The table is still favorable to them in terms of the position, but in terms of fixtures, definitely not. So they are still in the hunt, but next four fixtures will really determine whether they are in the title hunt or they are just there in the European spots or mid-table. So stay tuned for that. European spots. We moved Leicester City into European spots last time, but then we continue to move them into into the European spots. But there is a big question mark on it. Will they really be fighting for the European spots? This season it seems like Brendan Rodgers and Leicester City have regressed. They are not performing up to the mark. We still think it's too early, but Leicester City have a chance of dropping out of the European spots, and probably Arsenal have a chance to come in there. So we will see. And then mid-table, we still think Arsenal is there, but then Leeds and Southampton, they are the clubs we think are questionable in terms of mid-table finishes. Will they be there? Will they not be there in mid-table? I think they are more closer towards the relegation. This is the next set of fixtures which will determine whether they will be in the mid-table or they will be in the relegation. And lastly, relegation. So you might be seeing Norwich. So it goes from top to down in the sense whom we are very sure of relegation to the least likely. So Norwich probably before this takeover, we would have probably given Norwich, Newcastle, and Watford. But given this takeover, we have put Newcastle down a bit. I think even though the transfer window isn't starting, the new manager bounce will help them. The fixture list will help them. And Norwich, Watford are definitely trouble. Patrick Vieira is still an amateur or a novice at handling his team in the Premier League. And then Burnley, I don't know what has happened to Burnley this time. So that calls for another question. But Burnley, these are the clubs which are definitely going into relegation. And Wolves and Newcastle, maybe they will survive, maybe not. But out of this, if I have to say, I would probably give chances to Newcastle to be better survivor of English Premier League this season rather than Norwich, Watford, Crystal Palace or Burnley. So those are the kind of predictions we have. And then finally, how did you like our presentation? Please do let us know. Please like us on our Facebook. Please follow us on Twitter as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. Promise you, continue to give this extensive knowledge, extensive coverage of English Premier League. Thank you, take care, and we'll see you in the next weekly podcast.